car though?
You know where we gotta go later?
Whoops.
Whoa, scratch my shit!
Shh, I ain't scratching.
Scratch my gel coat! So today on Alejandro's MK7.5 GTI, we're gonna do Spulen springs. Unbox the springs. Oh yeah!
Hey man, this is your stuff.
Are we on tape?
Open them up.
Yeah.
I should have brought a fan.
Hold on, so let's you got a gummy bear in it? Yeah. Oh man, bud. Fail.
You know where we gotta go later?
Get some gummy worms with the springs. You know them gummy worms add horsepower. No USP sticker.
After we finish.
Yay.
Where are we going?
Kumo?
Fuck yeah, we're going to Kumo.
Nah, I gotta go.
No.
Bring the food.
Who?
My brother.
Why can't he call Uber?
Alright guys, let's get the show started.
Uber Eats.
Alright. He's over there eating the gummy worms.
Gummy bears, bitch.
Bears, same difference.
No.
Still pork fat.
No. This is the Haribo. This is the German ones.
What?
Yeah. The German ones, Haribo of America, made in Turkey.
You gotta do with the accent, man.
So starting on Alejandro Springs, we're gonna take this axle bolt out. It's a 24mm 12 point. We're gonna take the sway bar off. That's an 18. That's fine. We're gonna take this 18 out, which is a triple square on the back. We're gonna take this 10mm out, and then the 13mm up top, and the strut will be out. Oh, actually, and there are 3 16mm bolts that hold the ball joint on. Let me get a little hammer. It's not gonna go anywhere though. With the ball joint in. I need a 16mm deep socket, 1/2 inch. Take these. You can tell when you've done this a lot, because you don't even have to look at what you're doing. No. Yes. So in order to get the strut out of the knuckle, you have to use this tool called the spreader tool. And you have to put it in the back, and then once it's seated in the back, you turn it and loosen, and then the strut will start coming out. And once it comes out a little, you gotta drop it down to the bottom to spread it. It's not gonna come anymore with the axle still in like that. Let me get the 21 with the red gun.
21 mil, guys.
Alright, pull that spring out of there. Pull that spring out of there. Grab the Spulen one. Other way, other way. Push down more. There we go.
You got it, Mike.
12 hours later. Put the stock spring against the front spring. Same.
No.
They just cut it down, man. Stock spring.
Stock spring just powder coated gray.
See the difference right there.
And they cut it. Is that pretty much it for just doing the fronts?
Yeah. Now it's just reassembly, and then the rears are, I don't want to say it, but they're super fucking easy. So it's actually day 2 of the spring install. So what we found on the 2018 GTIs is that there's like some glue or some like Loctite or something on the axles, and they're so hard to get out. And it was so hot in here yesterday. We were so frustrated that we just packed up, said fuck it, we'll come back. So huge shout out to my fans, because without them I wouldn't be here today. But no, seriously, without them it's fucking hot again today, and I would not, this would have to wait till another day. I'm tired of being hot. I should make like a little it's hot counter in the corner of the video. Every time I say it's hot, this is fucking hot, this is too hot, I count it, bing, 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 something like that. I don't know. So the rear should go a lot smoother than the fronts because no axles need to come out. Just this 13mm bolt holding in the sway bar, this 18mm bolt holding in the strut, and this 18mm bolt holding the knuckle to the control arm. Those three come out, the spring comes out, swap the spring, jack it back up, put the bolts through, and that's it. So I use the jack to keep the tension off these bolts to pull them out, and then once those three bolts are out, you just pull the jack out, twist the spring off that little rubber retainer that it sits in. There's the stock spring. Here's the Spulen aftermarket spring. Transfer this rubber dampener over. Get this piece lined up in there. So it doesn't rotate. This back line. Put the jack under it. And then put the bolts back in. Alright, drop the e-brake. Alright, and then it should settle some after you drive it.